Well, the glue ups never get less stressful. But we got this all glued up. I believe it did it in plenty of time. You know, you've only got so much working time with the glue, and I wanted to be able to get it all in one glue up. Now, typically I'd be really worried of whether or not this case is square. Now, it should be square with the bottom and the top, but there still is a little bit of slop inside these grooves, so it may be a little bit off, but it really doesn't matter because doing it this way, where you cut the top off, it's going to match no matter what. So, not too worried about that. The downside to doing it this way is any squeeze out on the inside corners I can't wipe off right now, so I'll just have to scrape those off once it's all dried and cut apart. So I'm going to let this set, and we'll come back a little bit later and cut it apart.